Welcome to our IBM I tutorial series. Today we'll dive into the %DECPOS built-in function, which is used to determine the number of decimal positions in numeric expression within RPGLE programs. %DECPOS returns the number of decimal positions of a numeric variable or expression. It's important to note that the expression must not be a float variable or expression. Let's look at the syntax and an example to understand it better. The syntax for %DECPOS is simple. It takes a numeric expression as its parameter. Here's an example to illustrate how %DECPOS works. In this example, we have two packed numeric variables, number 1 and number 2, with specific decimal positions defined. We initialize the with values. First, we use %DECPOS to find out the number of decimal positions in number 1, which is defined as packed 7:3. The result is 3. Next, we use %DECPOS on number 2, which is defined as packed 9:5. Here, the result is 5. Finally, we multiply number 1 by number 2 and use %DECPOS on the result. Since the multiplication increased the decimal position, the result is 8. That concludes our overview of the %DECPOS built-in function is IBM I RPGLE. It's a handy tool for determining the precision of numeric calculations within your programs. Stay tuned for more IBM I tutorial, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for updates. Happy coding! Thanks for watching our video on the built-in function %DECPOS by programmers.io.